BJP has high hopes in the Thrissur constituency and Thiruvananthapuram constituency in Kerala. The exit polls show that BJP might get 1 to 3 seats in the state of Kerala, and these are the two constituencies where they have high hopes. In Thrissur, it's actor turned politician Suresh Gopi, who is a BJP candidate. He is taking on VS Sunil Kumar of CPI and K. Muralidharan of the Congress. It is a very tough triangular competition that is going on in Thrissur constituency. In 2019 also, Suresh Gopi was the Lok Sabha candidate for the BJP in Thrissur. Though he came third, from then he has been concentrating in the constituency, working there, working with the people there, and the BJP hopes that his popularity along with the party votes and the work that he has been doing there will help them. Meanwhile, both the CPI as well as the Congress say that they are confident of a win from Thrissur constituency. Thiruvananthapuram is yet again another high profile constituency where the competition is between Shashi Tharoor, sitting MP, 3-time sitting MP of the Congress, and BJP's Rajiv Chandrasekhar and CPI's Panyan Ravindran. It has been a tough fight all along. Thiruvananthapuram is again another constituency because in the last two times, in 2014 as well as 2019 Lok Sabha elections, BJP had come second there. In 2014, Mr. O. Rajagopal had come closer to about 15,000. So that was a margin of Shashi Tharoor. So this is one constituency where they are hoping that they have the numbers and they can overturn. They have brought in someone like a Rajiv Chandrasekhar here to take on 3-time sitting MP Shashi Tharoor. This campaign saw a lot of allegations, counter allegations, complaints given to the election commission. So this is another seat where they are hoping that they will be able to make a mark. Artingal is again another constituency where they are having high hopes. MOS V. Muralidharan was contesting from there for the BJP. Overall, these are the seats where the BJP has high hopes and where there is a tough competition, and they are hoping that they will be able to make a mark. Overall, the exit polls say that the Congress-led UDF will have an advantage in the state of Kerala. Of the 20 seats, they are expected to get about 15 to 18, whereas in the LDF is expected to get about 2 to 5 seats and the NDA 1 to 3 seats. In 2019 elections, of the 20 seats, 19 was won by Congress-led UDF and won by the LDF. If indeed the BJP wins from any of these constituencies, they will be creating history because in Kerala, they have not been able to win a single Lok Sabha constituency so far.